Hare Krishna, welcome to my channel Linux Lab. Today I'm going to tell you about the few basic commands of Linux like navigating the directory tree, listing directory contents and checking disk usage. So let's start. pwd and host name. First navigating the directory tree, which is the command pwd, you can say. It is showing you, this print working directory. You'll get the knowledge about it. Like this is the print working directory, which is the current one. Now I'll come to the second one, which is called cd. There is changing directory. So if I do cd, suppose etc, so I'm inside of it. So like that I can change the directory one by one, and also I can do like sign, so that it will be coming to the prompt. You can see this prompt, and it is actually meant for your home directory. Now I'll come that another command called cd then dot. If I do this, it will move to the one level up. Suppose right now my level is pwd home server. Okay, so if I do cd then dot, it should move one level up. That is till home it should be there. So you can see, so one step move up, and it is right now here. So if I am doing like cd then dot, it will move one step above of the directory. So it is coming back to home. So if I do pwd current working tree, so it was home then server, now it is home. Now again I'm moving inside of the server, so I'm giving cd server. So now if I check with pwd, I'm currently at home server, right, this one, and minus, it will again go to the previous directory. Same here like this when it was using cd double dot, and same way you can do this one also. So that is all about cd. Then come to giving directory structure with tree command. First moving into server, and then I'm doing tree and say minus L and 2, then var. Okay, so like that you can see all the directory tree over here. If I do more after this, so it will go page wise. So I'm doing here tree and then pipe sign more. If I do that, it will move page wise. Alright, so like that you can see what is happening in the screen. If I give this command, it means it is limit depth to 2 levels. Up to 2 levels it is showing me the detail of the tree. So now I'm going out of this, putting Ctrl Z, clearing the screen, and then listing directory commands I'm starting. So first is ls, which will list your all the commands related to directory. That is a basic listing, you can say. And then we'll move to ls minus l, that is your long listing format, where you can see directory, its detail, and then which user, then date and time, and all other details along with it, right? So that's the long listing format, and the output is like this only. It will show you hidden files and folders as well, so you can see here. So it is showing hidden also. Then I'm moving into ls minus lh, which will show you again human readable file sizes, and here you can get the size. This much size is happening, is 0 byte, like that it is working. ls minus ltr, if I do that, it's sorting like alphabetically new. That is disk usage. So in short, you can see disk usage over current directory, but because it's way too fast, so let's make it with more, so that page wise you can see view all files and directories with sizes. For that I'll be using the command du minus ah, so that will be the command. Again I have to use with more, so that it will go one by one page. F minus h, if I do that, it will give me disk space available on the file system. Like that you get to know how much is used, how much is free. See here 2%, 28%, this is 51%, temp is 1%, like that it's working. So that is all folks for today. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button, so that whenever I post a new video over here, it gets the notification of any video. So thank you so much for being with me today. Another video with your patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. We'll meet with you soon in another video.